Hi there, students. To confide. To tell somebody something private or secret. To talk to somebody in confidence. You can also use it meaning to give a responsibility to, but that's a bit more formal. So don't confuse this word confide with the word to confine, to restrict the movement of, to keep in, to limit the edges of. This is to confide, to tell something secret. It's related to the words confidential, confident, confidence, okay, confidential, okay, it's related to all of those words. So, to confide, to tell a secret. He confided in me that he wasn't very happy with his job. So, he told me this in confidence. It's a secret that I shouldn't tell anyone else. I shouldn't let the cat out of the bag. He confided in me that, in fact, he had stolen the bottle of whiskey. Okay? So to confide in somebody, you tell them a secret. Now, you could confide a responsibility to someone, to entrust that responsibility to them. Notice we can use confide meaning I have confidence in you, I trust you. So I confide in your ability to succeed. I confide in you. I trust, I know, I'm certain, I have confidence that you will be successful. And that gives us the idea of he confided the task to me. Okay? He gave me the task because he confided that I would do it well. He was certain, he trusted, he was secure that I would do a good job in this matter. Okay? So it's got two different meanings: to tell something in confidence, to tell a secret, or to give the responsibility. Now, to tell a secret, I think, is less formal. He confided in me, maybe a 5.5 in formality, and you could use this in an informal conversation and a very formal document, so very flexible. To confide a task to someone, I think that's probably too formal for an informal conversation. Maybe 6.5 in formality, something like that. To give somebody a responsibility informally, yeah? But I confide in you, I trust you, to the formal side. Okay, this verb to confide is a regular verb. He confided, he has confided. And it comes from Latin confides, so, or confidere, to have trust in, yeah? Fides, faith, trust. So, to confide a secret, to tell something secret. He confided in me that he didn't speak very good English. But I said to him, I confide in your ability to communicate well with these people. Okay, that gives you both ideas. So, tell a secret, or to give or entrust a responsibility to somebody. There you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To confide, not to confine.